world champion, decided to throw 88-64. So he's got 2 throws left to try and get back the lead. 2 throws left to try and get back into the gold medal position. Nadeem of Pakistan in the silver medal position with that personal best of 88 metres, 64 centimetres. Oh, that's high. Good grief! It was not coming down. Anderson Peters has gone, oh my days, have I got to pull out another big one in the last round? The world champion decided to throw 88-64. So he's got 2 throws left to try and get back the lead. 2 throws left to try and get back into the gold medal position. Nadeem of Pakistan in the silver medal position with that personal best of 88 metres, 64 centimetres. Oh, that's high.